What is up, guys? In the last video we talked about how we can create classes and how we can give these classes some attributes so we can better define what they are. And in this tutorial we're going to be going over how we can add some methods so we can actually add some functionality to our classes. So for example, the first thing we're going to do is go inside our class and provide a method. And to do that, you just have to create a regular function just as you always have and just name it whatever you want it to do. For this example, I will say make video because YouTubers make videos, and we're going to provide a parameter which is the date. Then inside here, we're going to type in cout username is making a video. We will provide the date plus an exclamation mark, and then all we have to do is add the end line. Now, as you can see down here, we have what we created earlier, and the same way we did that, we can also call these functions from the class. So if we go ahead and type in CodePalace, and this time we can call make video, and the date will be set to tomorrow. So just by using the dot notation, it's going to refer to the object we just created, which is CodePalace, and it's going to use the data inside there to make this function work. And it also works for coding in Flow, of course. So this class just has a set amount of functions and attributes that apply to every single YouTuber. So let's say Coding in Flow will make a video today. Now when we go ahead and run this program, you're going to notice we're going to have one that says CodePalace is making a video tomorrow and Coding in Flow is making a video today. So they both used the same method from the same class because we are both YouTubers, and having a class just simplifies that process that every YouTuber needs to make videos, and that's why we have a function that applies to all of them. Very similarly, if you had a car, you might have something that says turn on engine or lock door, because every car would most likely have this functionality and you wouldn't want to recreate this every single time you make a new car. Every car follows a set pattern of functions and attributes, so a class can just save you time in having to redo that over and over if you want to change some very minor details. Now what I showed you just now is a way to add a function inside the class, but we can also define it outside of the class. And to do this, we have to do what we did earlier when we created a global variable, and that is just specify what you want the function to be named, such as update video. And then outside of the class, we can go ahead and type in void YouTuber, because we want to extend this class and we want to refer to the update video function. Then inside here, we can just go ahead and copy this line here to save time and say cout username is updating a video and remove the date. And what's cool about this, because we are extending the YouTuber class, is that we can refer to subscribers or the username from within this function, because everything that's inside our YouTube class will be made available in this extension over here. But just as we did earlier, we can go here and type in codepalace.updateVideo now, and the same thing with Coding in Flow. So Coding in Flow.updateVideo and rerun the program. Now you'll notice that CodePalace made a video and now he is updating the video, and the same thing with Coding in Flow. So it was that simple to add methods to your classes. So essentially that's how methods work when it comes to classes. As you could see, they were fairly straightforward. And with that being said, in the next video we will continue diving deeper into how to use classes. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.